you stop caring where it came from. Hunger is hunger.
And this is what I'm gonna eat today.
You know what separates life from death on American streets? This backpack. Just this backpack. My name is Bruce. 3 years ago, I had a job, family, a house. Today, I have this. You want to know what's in here? I'll show you. But first, you need to understand something.
This is where I find dinner sometimes.
Most people never see this part of the city. You learn to not think about it. That's lunch tomorrow. Maybe dinner too.
All right, let me show you what's inside.
My friend Jack, he works at McDonald's. You know what he always tells me? Bruce, America isn't for Americans. It's for the smartest ones. And today you're going to discover what's in a homeless man's backpack. Without addictions. Because yes, we exist. First item, thermal blanket. Looks like aluminum foil, right? Well, this thing saves my life every night when the temperature drops to 23 degrees Fahrenheit. Hypothermia kills more than you think. Second thing, water. Seems obvious? Try spending a day without a public bathroom, without a faucet. You'll understand? I fill it at park fountains, at fast food places. When they let me, most don't. Basic hygiene. You have no idea how hard it is to shower, brush your teeth, shave, maintain dignity. And believe it or not, being clean doesn't bring more money. People help more when you look like you're dying. But I still shave, still brush my teeth. Because if I lose this, I lose everything. This here? Pure gold. My ID. Birth certificate. Losing this means becoming nobody. Literally. Nobody. Literally. Without ID, you can't apply for jobs, can't open an account, you don't exist. I guard this with my life. Food. Granola bars, canned tuna, peanuts, things that don't spoil. I eat at churches, social projects, and usually at immigrants' houses. Republicans, Democrats, they only care about themselves. Even Christians, man. At least in my life experience. But immigrants, they understand what it's like to have nothing. They share. So I save what I can because I never know when the next meal is coming. $13.50. That's all I have in the world right now. This has to last, I don't know how long, maybe 3 days, maybe a week. This here, aspirin, blood pressure medication. I get it when I can at Pastor John's free clinic. Son of an immigrant, that guy. He understands. A lot of people on the streets are sick. Body, mind, or both. I'm lucky for now. Clean socks. Might seem like nothing, but clean socks prevent infections, wounds, serious problems. You wear clothes in layers, even in the heat, because it gets cold at night and because that way nobody steals. This serves everything. Opening cans, cutting rope, fixing things, and yes, protecting myself if I need to.